Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to delete the Facebook page which you haven't used it for so long and you want to delete it now. First go to the Facebook icon and then here go tap on the top right corner on your photo and here select the Facebook page which you want to delete. Okay, now you are into the Facebook page. So tap the top right corner again and tap on the gear icon and here you will search it delete, and then after you search the delete it will appear like a delete your Facebook page and information. Click on it. It will take you to the deactivate page or delete page. If you want to deactivate your page for temporary, you select the deactivate and continue it. If you want to delete the page permanently, you select the delete page and continue. And here the Facebook will ask some information why you want to delete the Facebook page. Just choose which is suitable for you. I no longer find Facebook using my account was hacked. I don't feel safe on Facebook. I have a privacy concern or I spend too much time on Facebook. Choose whatever you want to choose it. Let's see. I don't know how to find Facebook. Okay, I'll choose this one. And now get more out of the Facebook. Okay, find friends and continue. Here they give you the options to save your post in your archive, download your information like a photos, post, and transfer your information. So in this page I literally have nothing at all. I haven't uploaded anything, no photos, no posts, and either no videos, so I don't need to download any information. So I just do continue. If you have download some information, then you just click that download button which you want to download. Here it asks for the password. You enter your Facebook password to update it and then press continue. And here this is the last confirmation message like the delete GitHub page and information. You press it yes. And then here delete page. That's it, your page has been deleted. Now have a look. Go here and then you can see this no longer the GitHub page is there. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and see you next time. Bye.